What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. No charts here, no articles in this Shiba Inu video, but I just want to talk at you for a little bit and talk about when I am going to be prepared to buy $10,000 more worth of Shiba Inu. And I don't know if this is going to happen for sure. I don't have a crystal ball, but we're seeing a little bit of a pullback in the overall cryptocurrency market. A lot of people, very smart people I talk to on a regular basis, do think that we could be seeing a big correction in the stock market. Why is that, significant for crypto, and why is that significant to Shiba Inu? Well, recently we've been seeing crypto, especially the top cryptos like your Bitcoins, Ethereums, BNBs, Shiba Inus, Dogecoins, Cardanos, really follow the stock market pretty closely. That's a trend we started to see start to unravel in 2022. Before then, both markets acted very differently. However, I recently read some articles and talked to some friends that all believe that we could be still in line for a big stock market pullback, mini crash, correction, whatever you want to call it. And if that happens, and crypto tends to follow suit like it did last year, and also experience a dip, perhaps the last dip in this bear market, I want to be prepared. That is why I have cash on the sidelines right now. Guys, I'm living well below my means. I don't tell, a lot of people about this. Like, I don't give you the insight into my actual life too much, but I don't spend a lot of money. You can ask some of my good friends. I mean, especially Austin Hilton here on YouTube. He makes fun of me all the time. Like, I don't buy watches. I don't buy new clothes, this t-shirt. I don't buy anything really like of value. That kind of stuff doesn't do it for me. It just doesn't. I'd rather keep that cash on hand and wait for the dips. So that's what I'm doing. And if the dips never come, cash is still king, and eventually there will be dips and I'll be able to buy more. And this is stocks and crypto. And also I'm looking to get into real estate, but I'm off on a tangent a little bit. I understand that. So let me come back to Shib. When am I going to buy Shiba Inu? I don't have an exact price point, but when you follow the markets every single day, you kind of have an idea of where you can get close to the bottom with Shib. Now, I do think technical analysis can certainly help you here. I'm not all that keen on getting it perfectly timed up. I want to get Shib when it's cheap, cheaper than when it is now. To me, that's when it dials back to 5 zeros and a 9. If it happens, I'll start dabbling. If it goes 5 zeros and 8, I'll start dabbling even more. So I'll dollar cost average my way in on the way down. That's the way I'm looking at it. But I'm not buying anything until we lose that zero. That's kind of where I'm at. Now, I'm a little bit different than a lot of other folks out there, maybe, in that I already have my positions with Shib. Other assets are different, right? So this is different for everyone. I'm just telling you what I'm thinking. I've got $10,000 set aside, and I'm very grateful to be able to say that. Like, I come from very humble beginnings, guys. Like, I had nothing when I grew up. I didn't have a terrible life, but virtually very, very normal, low class. We lived in a very, modest duplex, not even a home when I grew up. And my family worked hard. My dad worked 3 odd jobs, and I didn't see him a lot. He was always working, and my mom did everything she could, for us. And that's who I am. That's where I come from. And I struggled all throughout my 20s. And I'm so grateful to be in the position. And crypto's enabled me to do that, having some big wins the last couple of years. And I want this for all of you. And I think we're going to have that opportunity. All I'm saying is, don't let all the noise get in the way of your goals, your ambitions. When it comes to crypto, when it comes to stocks, when it comes to all investments and opening businesses and starting businesses and running businesses and making money, have a plan and don't let other people impede on it unless they're the right people who you can learn from or who you're in business with, right? But that's what I'm doing. I want to buy $10,000 more of Shib. I've got that sitting on the sideline. I'm just not ready to inject it into the markets now. Now, again, maybe crypto won't dip all the way back down. And you know what? If that's the case, that's awesome. I've got my positions and I'll wait and I'll sit on that cash, right? And I'll invest it somewhere else, maybe into real estate or something like that. It's not a terrible thing if you keep cash on the sidelines and you don't inject all of it in the market all at once. Right now, with a lot of the uncertainty surrounding markets, I am keeping more cash on hand than I did last year, and certainly more than I did in 2021 and 2020 when I started investing. So that's where I'm at right now. And when I buy $10,000 worth of Shib, it'll be around that time when we get a big pullback, when Shib dials back maybe to 509. If that happens, I'll be ready because that is when I want to get in. I don't want to miss these opportunities to add my favorite assets, whether it be crypto or stocks, real estate, at premium prices. I'm also waiting for real estate, by the way, too, to potentially buy a place somewhere. So let me know what you guys think about it down below. A little different style video. I think I want to go back to some of these a little bit more and more. So if you like this video, let me know that you do by hitting the like button, subscribing, dropping a comment down below. Appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.